Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty Investor Tour. This is a different kind of house tour than what you're used to seeing. This is going to be focused more on the shape, size, and space of this particular property in Ayala Alabang. So this house has a lot area of 932 square meters and a floor area of 500 square meters for the two-level property. We're calling it an investor tour because even without the house, the property is selling at below the zonal value in the area. So we're just going to go through all the rooms so that you have an idea of the layout, because it's up to you if you want to renovate this house or build a completely new one. So we're not going to be showing too much of the facade of the house because the entire space is very private. The owners are also very private, but I think we'll be able to appreciate the size as we go along. So upon entering the house, you have a living area here. You have a high ceiling space. And this property was renovated to have a divider here. But the original design was there was no wall here, and this opened up straight to a dining area and then outwards towards a patio and garden, which we will show you later. Okay? So this can be currently used as a home office space or even a potential entertainment area for guests. So let's walk around so you have an idea on the dimensions. Okay? In terms of the lot shape, it's an irregular shaped lot and it grows wider as you go into the house. So you see over here, this area beside the living space can be maximized as a lanai entertainment space. And then you have access here towards the side of the house, but we'll go through that side later. Let's go around the front towards the parking area. Let's go. In terms of the parking area of the property, this is the driveway, and then there's additional parking here. This can fit about 4 to 5 vehicles. You have your staff quarters here for driver's quarters, maid's quarters here on this side, high ceiling space, and then you have access here towards the dining and kitchen space. And then towards this side, towards the garden area. Let's go. This is a powder room for guests. You have a staircase leading to the second level. Let's go over here. So this is an unorthodox flow for the presentation. We're starting with the main kitchen here. Very spacious area, well lit. And then on this side, this is nice, they have a dedicated laundry room. Because of the divider that we saw later, it effectively divided the house into two areas. That one entertainment area, which has no access to this entire kitchen and dining space. So from the laundry area and then the main kitchen, what you have here is your formal dining space. So this can easily fit a large table for family gatherings. And to give you an orientation, this is what I was talking about earlier. This wall can be potentially removed and you would have an entire open space from your dining and living area. Okay? And of course, This is where the value of having a 900 square meter property is felt. When you go out here, you have a spacious patio area. They have a trellis space here. Of course, this property is no longer occupied. As an investor tour, the purpose of this video is to see what's possible in terms of the size and the space. There's a slight slope in the property. So if you take a look on this side, this is one level, and then on the other side, you have a slope leading down to your swimming pool area. Of course, right now, it's not being used, obviously, but I'm gonna walk over there so that you see the size. So from this space, there are so many possibilities for this house. Here's another perspective of your entire pool and backyard space. Excellent for gatherings, very private, and you wouldn't even notice it from the front of the house. It's very low profile, but you could put up an additional gazebo structure here in the future, and your pool could even be enlarged if you'd like. And you could have additional waterfall features. There's so many ideas because you have so much space. Okay? On an additional note, from this side, you have access towards the front of the house from here. We'll take a look now at the first room in the house. With direct access to your garden area, you have a den room. It has a bathroom here. It's quite usable already. Okay. And if this is properly landscaped, this has quite a refreshing view in the mornings. In terms of the orientation of the house, this house is facing dominantly east. That's why in the afternoons, you have the sunset on this side, and in the mornings, you have the sun on the other side, and this area is quite cool for a morning dip in the swimming pool. And here you have the second room. This was purposed as a master bedroom. So you have the original wood flooring here, and you have a walk-in closet space with an alcove bathtub, dual vanity sink space, okay, lots of storage. Now we're back here. Here you have the primary room. So what's nice here is you have direct access through the sliding door out towards the swimming pool right away. Imagine waking up, going straight. Of course, after you've potentially refurbished or renovated the house, or if you build a new house and maintain this layout. They have a window here, gives you a view of your front side lanai area. This is really not our usual tour. Usually it's living area, dining area, and this is unique because that partition effectively gave us two separate spaces. So we're heading up. Now, the second level has 3 separate rooms. Let's go to this one first. So you have this hallway space here, giving you a vantage point of your living area. What we like about the rooms is all the rooms have a walk-in closet space. There's a balcony here, which faces the front of the house, but we won't show that because for privacy of our neighbors in front. And then you have your bath area here. And then walk-in closet space. If you notice in this tour, we're not really selling or marketing the house itself, but we're walking through this entire space so you have a feel for it. If you want to keep the house, renovate the house, but at least you see the potential. Here, you have another space. And then you have your bath area. What's nice about these last 2 rooms, this is essentially the 4th bedroom. And the 5th bedroom is that, of course, they're quite spacious. Size is already similar to the master bedroom that you saw downstairs. But you have a sliding door here leading to a shared balcony. We'll check that out later as we go to the next room. So here you have your 5th bedroom. Once again, lots of storage. Bath area. There. They have a water heater also installed there. Then here, this is my favorite room. It's a corner room and it has the best view of the swimming pool area. And from this area, you see your shared balcony. You see here the space of the balcony. This is excellent if the 2 people who are staying here are siblings. And you also have all greenery in terms of your view and a fantastic vantage point for your swimming pool area, gazebo space, and garden area. And that wraps up our quick investor house tour. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also follow us and send us a message through Instagram and Facebook. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for joining us in this investor house tour here in Ayala Alabang City. And we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.